Hello everyone, I am BSS Srikar and this is my app Smart Learners. So first we have AI Reminder. In AI Reminder we have two pages. This is the home page where we will remember, and the second one is the manual page where we save our inputs. Now let's go back and see dictionary. This dictionary supports 13 languages. And next we have Smart Homework. In Smart Homework, first we should go to Settings and save our teacher's name and number, and also save our name below. And enter the homework subject or language and what we wrote in the above subject, and take an image and send to our teacher via WhatsApp. So this is our AI exercise page. Here you have three options. First we have alarm, so you can set alarm, and meditation. So you can see the meditation image. When you click on the meditation image, then motivational and calm music starts like this. And when you tap again, the music stops like this. Now let's go back. So here we'll get yoga asanas like this, and when we click again, the next one appears. We also have features like AI notes, AI drawing, student community, max, social and science.